So in the first part of the video, we'll try to do the initial steps of setting up your lens variant project. So here we'll go ahead and first turn on the receiver, connect it in the GLA-RTK app, and the next step would be to set up an environment that we are collecting now in Austria. So go to settings by clicking to other settings. Here we can use we specify our country, so Austria. We select the coordinate system and that we survey in meters. For now, this should be fine. Next step will be to create different layers. In order to do this, we go to the layer management menu, and by clicking on a top right plus sign, we can add an additional layer. By the default, you have one layer, so we try to do another layer. Here you can specify the name as well as the color. Let's go for a green one, the type of lines we'll be collecting, etc. So this is enough for now. We have created a layer, specified our coordinate system, and right now we're ready to go. So please keep in mind that you have also taken into consideration the solution of your status. So now we have an RTK, so we have a good solution, and we're trying to collect 1 point. So in order to do this, we go to a specified location and align our pole and click on the dot sign. Have to wait for a better signal, and RTK and we have collected a point. Good. Now we'll go to another point. And once again, we collect another point. For demonstration purposes, let's try collecting just one more point. See here. So now we have collected a total of 3 points. Keep in mind that with our app you can collect lines, polylines, arcs, as well as areas. So next step would be to save your project. In order to do this, we go to the first tab, click on Save. We select the location of the file, so we will save it locally. We select a folder. We select file name. And we select the format. The CSV format should be fine right now. So, and save. We have saved our project. Now we'll try to stake out the point that we have collected. In order to do this, in the top bar, we select the Stakeout. and the arrow on the left top part shows us the direction we'll have to go. So we'll select it. Let's go for point number 1, and it says that we have to move in this direction. There we should be somewhere close by, should be somewhere here according to the map. Good. And this is the way how you can stake out a point. Thank you for watching.